Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Wicked Stoner 29 here. Oh man, I haven't done a video in quite some time. I know I haven't really been keeping up with them, but in today's video, I got a little something special. So I got a $30 Amazon gift card for Christmas, and I used that along with $4.55 on my card, but whatever, to get a couple nostalgic things that I never thought that I would actually be able to open. So, here it is. Oh man. I am excited. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Wow. Alright. So, I got... oh. Really hope that's not... okay. There we are. So, I found a couple sets from the 5Ds. Whoop. Hidden Arsenal Special Editions. I'm pretty excited to open these up. I don't really care what I get. I'm mostly just trying to start up a 5Ds collection. So this is pretty darn exciting. You either get, what is it? XX Saber Emmer's Blade or an Echuria Pineapple. Emmer's Blade. Oh man. X Saber's back in the day. And who do we get on our first pack? Oh man. Ooh! Oh! Oh my god! Look! I don't know if you can notice it, but that thing is so offset. Oh. Is that a ding I just saw? Either way, look at that. That is super off-centered. Oh, sorry if the camera quality isn't all that great, but yeah. Wow. Holy shnikes. So there's those. Oh, wow. Hidden Arsenal. This was a really iconic set back in this time. Oh my gosh. Brionic, Dewloren, and the Jurax Ice Barriers. Oh man, that was a pretty good time back in the day, the Synchro era. Fabled as well. Oh man. So let's see, what else is this? Ooh, double pineapple. All right, cool. And boom. Oh man, too bad these aren't first edition, but that's okay. That's okay. Usually special editions don't have first edition packs anyway, so that's fine. Oh man. Yeah, there's 5 cards in each pack. Holy crap, these are old. Oh my gosh, Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds, Hidden Arsenal, Hidden Arsenal 2. Guys, this is some serious old school stuff right here. So I think I'm going to start with Hidden Arsenal 3. Oh. 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 Secret Rare's all the way up front. Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. The worms. Worm Yagen. Wait a minute. Oh, right. Wow. Worm Yagen, Jirak Iguanon. This dude right here. Sorry, I was making sure if these are real or not, but then I just realized, oh wait, these aren't first edition. They would say. It's been a while since I've opened stuff like this. Not Hidden Arsenal, but yeah. Worm Solid, Naturia Horn Needle, and ooh, Dragoonity Phalanx. Very cool. Very cool. Wow, that is super off-centered. Holy crap. Oh my good. There we go. We'll sleeve those up later. Cool. On to the next pack of Hidden Arsenal 3. Oh, whoops, okay. So first we have, hey, Fabled Topi! Naturia Tulip. Worm Tentacles. Ah, the Gen X. That's right. Our Gen X Accelerator and... Oh, whoa. Naturia Cliff. Alright, cool. Naturia Cliff. When this card is sent from the field to the graveyard, you can spell someone for a little... Oh, that's right. Alright, alright. Cool. Alright. Now, Hidden Arsenal 2. Man, I was really hoping... I was kind of hoping for the... what is it? Barkion? Yeah. Oh, well. Oh, hey, I can possibly get Nap-based in here. Forgot about that. Or even, what is it called? Fabled Raven? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Holy crap. Oh, not Denlong. Dewloren. Well, look at that. The cover card. Cool. Flamevel Grunica, Worm Link, Strock Velo, Naturia Cosmo Beat. Right there, folks. Boom. Well, cool. I got a Dewloren. That's pretty awesome, actually. Wow. This card apparently was, like, really, really, really good. I'm not sure, like, how good, but... Well, cool. Dewloren. Very nice. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. A second... What? A second one? Bro. Fabled Lurie, Pilgrim of the Ice Barrier, Drak Protops, and Gen X Recycled. 2? Not 1, but 2 Dewlorens. Bro. Right on. That's actually kind of a nice little treat right there. Not gonna lie. Oh yeah, here's the last 4. Man, these things are warped. See, look at that. They're so warped. Alrighty. The very first one. The very first one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the... Oh, come on. Come on. Alright. I opened it correctly. Oh, wow. Okay. The secret rare is in the front. Oh, yeah. Worm Apocalypse. Pop a spell or trap on the field, and that's mandatory. Ally of Justice, Colossus. Or Colossalus, sorry. Worm Carteros. Yeah, there we go. Ally of Justice, Garad Hulk. And the next one is a... Oh, yeah, I remember this, dude. Cryomancer of the Ice Barrier. I used to use this guy in a, what was it, a Wetlands deck? Dude, that was actually pretty fun. Wetlands. Cool, cool. Alrighty. Last and final pack, folks. Can we get that Brionic? Can we get that Brionic? Let's find out. Let's find out. Oh, man. Okay. Garadhog. Carteros. Apocalypse. Dimicles. Alrighty, and the final card is a spell. Ah! Look one face up. Wrath of Neos. Alright. Well, no Brionic that time, but it's okay. It's alright. Well, yeah, that's it for now, folks. That was pretty fun. That was actually very cool. Oh my gosh. 2 Dewloren. 2 freaking Dewloren from Hidden Arsenal 2. I would have been fine with the Nat based, but no, okay. That works for me. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching this, because this was actually a huge throwback for me. I'm not disappointed with what I got. I'm not. That was very awesome opening up. And gosh, I really missed the days of 5 days. That was such a fun time. It really was. Well, anyway, you guys have yourselves a wonderful day or evening, wherever you're watching this from. If you ever want to see me do something like this again, I will gladly do it, because I'm thinking about doing it again myself. Well, anyway, you guys have a wonderful day, and yeah, later.